Hey guys, Brian with Workshop Addict, and this is a follow-up video to our Sansi LED lights that we're putting up in the new shop that we made. This was a tough call for us. I mean, the struggle was real as to what to put in here long-term to get the bright lighting that we wanted, if we wanted to detail a car, if we wanted to come in here and work, or if we wanted to just use it for storage. So it was a cost versus what are we gonna get comparison, plus the cost of the electrician to wire things up, and what if we wanted to change things down the road, what could we do? We ended up just putting up standard light bulb receptacles. We bought these Sansi lights. There is 12 of them in here. And my worry was, first, are they gonna be too bright on the ceiling where you're gonna look up and be like, oh my God, it's crazy bright light. Not the case. You turn them on, it looks very, very nice, very classy when you walk in. There's no issue walking around looking. We could have a party in here, people aren't gonna think it's too bright, but you could also start working in here and say, we're working on a motor or working on woodworking, we're doing anything, and you're not gonna say it's too dim. It's absolutely perfect, and we couldn't be happier. Now we laid this out, there's 12 of these lights in here, which is way overkill for what one would need, but we're setting this up so that we could put cars in here, we can store vehicles in here, see on each side of the car, or we can work in here. It's kind of a all-in-one setup. I'll set up in another corner, kind of give you another look at what the lighting is like and how it works. So with vehicles in here, there's really no great place to set up, but this view, you can kind of get a view of more of the lights on the ceiling, and through a camera, it's not gonna do it justice by any means, but we have the lights set up close to the sidewalls. We can see inside vehicles that are on the side or tractors, whatever it may be, and there's plenty of light. It's spread around well and very few shadows. So if you're looking at LED lights, I know everybody had their own suggestion. I fell on these, I really like them, and they're a great replacement, or they're a great bulb to throw in where you already have the receptacle sitting there in your garage and might not have enough light due to poor electrical setup from the beginning. So I go back to the initial video where I was like, man, do I, don't I, should I, what should I get? I'm thrilled. The whole pack with the discount cost me right around 15 to 12 bucks a bulb, which kind of expensive, but kind of not for what you're getting. So if you are looking at something like this, I think this is a great way of setting it up. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Otherwise than that, make sure you subscribe to our channel and give us a like. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a great day.